To solve addition of a mixed number, there's a very simple formula everybody must know. So this addition will also be a mixed number with an integer value and a fraction value with numerator and denominator. For this integer, simply add both the integer values 4 plus 10, 14. In the denominator, simply multiply both the denominators 6 into 12, 72. Now the most important part, numerator. Multiply numerator with denominator of different terms and add them. This becomes 5 into 12 plus 6 into 11. This becomes 60 plus 66, 1, 2, 6. Write the numerator here. If numerator and denominator has any factor common, simplify it. So divide both sides by 18. This becomes 4, 7. So the value finally becomes 14, 7 by 4. Now if numerator is less than denominator, you can leave it as it is. But in this case, numerator is more than denominator. So add 1 to the integer value. In the numerator, subtract numerator and denominator. So 7 minus 4 and keep the denominator as it is. And your final answer becomes 15, 3 by 4.